Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we explored how businesses struggle without a proper system for tracking customer issues and how Service Cloud and cases brings structure, visibility and speed into customer support. And now that we set up the Service Cloud and understood why it's important, let's move into the real action, creating the cases and making Salesforce do the smart work for us through auto assignment rule. So let's start with a quick real world situation. A client comes to me and says, we are getting hundreds of customer requests every day and we have multiple support teams. Right now, we are manually assigning each one to the right person. It's slow, it's messy, and honestly, we are missing follow ups. So, isn't there a way Salesforce can handle this automatically? And I replied, yes, with the case assignment rule, Salesforce automatically routes cases to the right agents. This ensures no case is missed, no delay happened, and the right agent gets the right case automatically. So it's a small automation, but it builds a massive trust in your customer service experience. All right, let's jump into Salesforce and make it happen. We will configure the assignment rules and test how Salesforce automatically routes issues to the right person without any manual work. And with the case assignment rules, you can automatically assign each new case based on the predefined conditions like product type, subject, region, or priority. So here is what I will do inside Salesforce. Go to the setup and in the quick find box, type in case assignment rule. Click on it and we will create a new rule and name it auto assignment rule. Mark it active and click on save. So you need to remember that only one rule can be active at a time for cases. I just make this rule active. And now inside this rule, I can add multiple rule entries. So I will open this rule. And here in the rule entries, click on new. So in the sort order, I will type 1. Here I will define my criteria. If the subject contains payment, then so if the subject contains payment, the case should be assigned to the Alex. And I can also add any email templates. So it means whenever a case is created and its subject contains words payment, it will automatically go to the Alex and click on save. I will define the one more rule entry. Click on new and sort order is 2 and my criteria is if the case subject contains the word integration. So the case will automatically assign to I will select my name and just click on save. So Salesforce processes these rules from top to bottom and applies the first one, that match. As soon as it finds a match, it automatically assigns the case to the user you have defined. And that's it, you are done. Now let's test it. So go to the cases. So we will create a new case. Fill the mandatory fields. Status is new. Let's define the subject. Payment not processed. Just check this assign using active assignment rule checkbox and click on save. And now you can see the case is automatically assigned to Alex. No manual work, no routing, no confusion, just smooth automation. Now let's create one more case in which the subject contains integration. Subject is integration issues. Please resolve immediately. Check this checkbox and click on save. And now this time the case owner is Anuja. So that's how we can use case assignment rules in Salesforce to smartly distribute cases across team. So in today's video, you learned how to identify the criteria for case assignment, create case assignment rule in Salesforce, and automatically route cases to the correct user. And in my next video, I will take this one step further and I will walk you through how to create case escalation rules step by step with real examples just like today. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that one. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.